All right, I want to just real quickly show you how I would go about classifying this. But I really don't want to spoil it for you because I really think this is one of those moments of exploration and discovery that's really special in this class. It makes it really a lot of fun. If you look at the Google Earth page or the view of this is the Fukushima 1, the northern of the two plants, the one on the top. You can see there's just an awful lot here, including the buildings, and it actually shows the buildings that exploded and some of the damage from the meltdown that occurred after the tsunami. So this is really worth looking at, and in particular you can look at the historical imagery, and when you do this and you take the slider back before 2011, you can see that this is where the releases are. There were two big releases here, and it really is just like a big cascade of water coming out into the ocean. And both of these plants look pretty much the same. They work pretty much the same way. So there's one, you can see it. It's just like a big waterfall almost coming out into the ocean right there. And then here's the other one, right here. On both sides of the plant. So that's where all the hot water is coming in. Although you can't see hot water here, you can see some sediment along the shore, but you don't see temperatures, right? So in our model, and if you look at this, you can see that I've turned off the image, the raw image that we used to take the clip out of, and I've stretched the clip. This is a standard deviation stretch of the clip, and there's the clip. And then I'm using the OpenStreetMap base map, which I really like. If you look at this base map, you should take a look at it, because you can see, when you look at it, you can see an incredible amount of detail when you get up close to it. But it really is a nice base map for this, and has a lot of great place names on it and so on. But what we do is we take this and we open this and we select the classified selection, and then we go to classify, and you can see right now I've got 5 classes that I could have. So I think you can almost just start with the warmest pixels. Let's try that, and we'll have about 5 classes spread through these down to around 126 or so. Now, how do I know 126 or even 125? How do I know that? Well, I'll show you this in just a moment. Okay, so when I've done that, you can see there's one class below 125. I'm going to take that one and make it transparent. And then these other 4, I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to apply something that looks something like this. So I have warm, warmer, hot, and scalding. Okay, so we see what this looks like now. So again, this is something that, this is where you really have a lot of fun with this. But you can create something that's really pretty stunning, and then you have all that imagery available also if you want to put other data frames in with other images. So there's an awful lot you can do with this, and I really want to encourage you to explore and see some things and show some things really that have never been seen, probably, because you're going to be very creative in this in this instance. So there are the plumes, and go to it.